Me again. I had intended to continue my journey at dawn, but when I woke up, I felt too depressed, so I stayed in bed until noon, when I still felt depressed, and it was now noon. After packing up my camp, which is a fancy way of saying I rolled up my sleeping bag, I was just about to hit the road, when I was approached by a small group of strange beasts, each with the head of a zebra, without any stripes, and the body of a short giraffe, without any spots. It is a reminder of just how far from civilization and the nearest Tesco's, for example, I have come. They seemed more interested in horsing around, whatever one of those is, with my car than me. Never discount that despite how different our lives must be, one may better match the disposition of a stranger with hooves and a mane than your own neighbour at home. They have been quite friendly to me, and certainly not tried to eat me. Okay, let's go now. Excuse my hushed tones, but I seem to have stumbled across a previously undiscovered tribe. I've been observing them for over 20 seconds, and it seems they are carrying out a barbaric ritual. I dare not get too close, but from what I can make out, they remove the skull of anyone who dares enter their territory, like me, and strike it with ceremonial clubs. The aim seems to be to hit it around a hole without, under any circumstances, it going into the hole, and they seem extremely adept at it. Or at least above par. Was it below par? I name them the Double Bogey Men, and I must leave before they notice my presence. /skull. I drove until I felt sure I was clear of the Double Bogey Men. Having neglected to bring any food with me, I must now rely on my foraging skills to sustain me. Apparently, only 1 to 2% of mushrooms are deadly. Now, in the words of Stevie Wonder, I ain't no statistician. But by my maths, I find that to mean I can eat a different mushroom each day for 98 days before I come across a poisonous one. And these ones look like they'll do just the trick. Right, let me just eat them now. Maybe it was the mushrooms I ate. Maybe it was the entire bottle of soy sauce I drank. Maybe it was both. But the terrible paranoia suddenly swept over me. Mostly because this woodland appears littered with the unlucky victims of the double bogeyman. My goodness. And another. Oh wait. That's just a golf ball. Important not to let your imagination, or psychedelics, get in the way of logic and sense. Second thoughts, I have decided to record the outro for this vlog from inside my tent. I hope that is okay with you. Thank you again for watching. Goodbye. Again. Ain't no statistician. What was that noise?